Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, my name is Omar, and today we're going to be doing some backwater fishing. Going to be looking for some trout, redfish, maybe some bass. We've been over here a few times before and had okay luck, so today the wind as usual trying to keep us off the water, but gonna fish this backwater, stay protected from the wind, and try to find some fish. So y'all stay tuned and hopefully we can find them today. All right, y'all, gonna start off with this little X-Wrap here. Got about 3 hours to fish. We'll see if we can stay a little bit longer, but it's kind of the goal right now. There he is. Trying to hit my reverse here. Oh, he popped off because I lost the slack on the line. Man, that was a rookie move. I should have just kept going with the current. All right. Oh, there's a bite. There's a bite. That feels like a redfish. Come on, buddy. Let's see here. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Try not to put too much on him. Let's see. Yes, that's a redfish right here. Didn't expect that. I'm gonna work them nice and easy. We got 14-pound fluoro as leader. And actually, this is 20-pound braid as main line. There he goes. I think he smoked that lure too. Let's see here. See if we can get him. Oh yeah, he's not ready yet. Come on this way, buddy. Come on, come on, come on. Yes, we got him. Heck yeah, man. That was awesome. Get him unhooked and we'll let him go. He's got that thing pretty good down there. Let's see here, buddy. Looks like I need longer pliers. Okay, looks like we got it. All right, let's get him back in the water. We're gonna let him sit in the water for a second. We're gonna revive him a little bit. Took me a second to get that hook out. Not too long, but all right, y'all. Let's get this fish up. Oh, looks like he's coming back here. Let's get this fish up. Y'all get a good look at him. Wow, what a beauty. I'm not even gonna measure this guy. Solid redfish. He's probably in the 20s for sure. Thanks, buddy. There he goes. All right, y'all, so here's the setup. I got this little Rapala X-Wrap in ghost color. I believe it's an 8 or a 10. I'll put it up on the screen here, but leader is 14-pound fluorocarbon. We got about 3, maybe 4 feet, and then to a 20-pound braid on a 3000 size reel. This is a Daiwa BG. And then this is one of the rods I picked up while I was in Panama. It's a Shimano Clarus. It's a 7-foot medium. So we're gonna keep at it here and keep working the bank if these redfish are here. There's a bite. That's a trout. Looks like a trout. Oh, might be a bass. We'll see. See here. Hopefully he's hooked pretty good. It's a decent one. Yeah, it's a bass. Yes, what a solid bass. Right up on that tree there. Man, that's what I'm talking about right here. Dude, oh yes. This is awesome right now. See if I can get these hooks out. Nice. Come here, buddy. Nice. We do have our scale, but man, we're not gonna weigh this guy. You know what? I might. Let's weigh this guy. See what it says here. We are at 257. Heck yeah. Yeah, 2.5 pounder. I like that. Man, I'll give him one last look. We'll let him go. What a beauty. Thanks, buddy. Oh, splashed up at me. A little X-wrap for the win. Let's get it. Let's tighten this line back up. Oh no, we gotta go get that guy. I lost my lure. That's not good. No. I can't believe that just happened, dude. No way. That stinks, dude. All right, let's see if I have another one. I have one more that's white, but it has a little feather tail on it, and I think it'll be all right. If not, guess what? We'll cut the feather tail, but we'll leave it on there for now. We got another little fat boy here we can probably tie on if we lose this guy too. Throw one more up that way, and then we'll switch back over to the other side because there's someone on this side of the bank up ahead. All right, come on. Oh, there's something there. There's something there. I wasn't even looking. That was just slow rolling. Let's see what we got here. Mangrove. Little mangrove snapper. Got him. We got him. Wasn't expecting that. Here we go. We got him. All right. Man, y'all check him out. Little sandwich. Thanks, buddy. Mangrove snapper. I was actually looking at the other side and slow rolling the lure, and he decided to come up and grab this. There he is. Another mangrove. Just gonna try to pop this guy off. Easy, buddy. Little mangrove. I don't know what that was. Looked like a mullet. There he is. He came up, he wanted that. That's a little redfish. Let's get him in here. Little school of redfish, that's probably what was chasing it. All right, here we go. Got him popped off, beautiful. That's how we want to see it. Come here, little buddy. Man, heck yeah. Man, y'all check him out. Little fella. 2 spots. Thanks, buddy. Oh, just saw a flash there. He ain't swimming right. It's a little redfish. He wants it. Well, it could have been, was it? Big school of mullet. Oh, here's some redfish right under me. They might be black drum. Dude, what was that? Whatever it was, we scared him. Getting pushed over here. Could be with the wind. There's something. Oh, it came at me like a bullet. Got him. There we go. Come out of there. Thanks, buddy. Never know. Maybe that might get something else riled up. Oh, those are redfish. Those are redfish. Those are redfish. Let's see. Maybe he'll eat a bigger bait. Dude, that was a redfish. There's one. There's one. Yes. Heck yeah. Dude, there was a big one in there. Oh, what is this? It's a snook. It's a snook. Oh, don't get me over there. Yes! Dude! They weren't committing to this thing, but finally got one to bite. Heck yeah, dude. Look at this. Got us another one. There we go. Man. I'm just gonna get a photo and let you go. Oh, come on. Work with me. Thanks, buddy. Man, what a beauty. I'll check him out. Wow. There he goes. Yes! Heck yeah, dude. Throw out in front here. There he is. There he is. What we got here? Yes. Redfish. Heck yeah, dude. He ate that pretty good. Nice, we got him. Heck yeah, dude. Easy, buddy. Man. What a day. Let me see, let's get that hook out of its mouth here. I got a pretty weird situation here. There we go. There we go. Let's get this guy. We'll let him go. Too close on the hook here. Man, y'all check him out. Nice little fella. Thanks, buddy. We'll move along. There we go. That's where we want it. Oh, there's a bite. Yeah, buddy. What we got here? Another snook. Another snook, y'all. Yes, we got him. We got him. Man. Get these off. Come on, man. A little bit of a mess here. Little guy. Man. Oh no, oh no. Sorry, pal. Just want to show you off. Little guy. They got to be reproducing up here. Awesome. Thanks, buddy. Oh, there he is. There he is. A little bit bigger one. I haven't checked my line. Don't break me off, dude. Don't take my lure. Don't take my lure. Yes. Heck yeah, a little bit better one. Man. Dude. This is so sick. Easy, buddy. Easy, 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 easy. Okay, let's not let him get beat up. Man, beautiful. Thanks, buddy. Solid. There he goes. Heck yeah, dude. Throw one more and then we'll switch over. See some activity here. That's a good fish. Well, it felt good. That's a redfish. Heck yeah, dude. There we go. We got him. Came up and smoked that thing. Nice. Thanks, buddy. Heck yeah. On the paddle tail. He ran off with it. Little fella. Saw that line moving. Didn't feel a bite. It was like the lightest tick. Thanks, buddy. Alright, man, we're getting some bites. I like that. Even some little dinkers. There he is. Nice, we got him. Alright, y'all, we got him. Nice little fella. Thanks, buddy. Let's see, what is that? Let's move up on it. Let's make an approach on it. Hopefully it's not just mullet. There he is. Feels troutish. Nope, it's a mangrove. Gonna shake him off here. There's something going on over there. Thanks, buddy. There he is. Dude, mangroves all over this place. Let's see, chill, dude. There he goes. I'm gonna pull up and see if we can. There he is. Please be a trout. No way, dude. No way. That was a bite. I don't know what it was. If I get bit again, I know it's a school of trout. We'll never know. Oh. There he is. There he is. Man, he came back. I just left this sitting there. Some mangrove? Gotta be. Yeah. Ah, a lot of mangroves lined up in here. There we go. We got him. We got him here. Come on, buddy, you just had your... Alright, cool. Nice. Here we go, another one. Mangrove. I'll make our way back. There he is, another one. Another mangrove. Let's see if we can pop them off real quick. Not super huge ones, but so my GoPro died just as I was getting ready to release that fish, but he's gone back in the water now, and we're gonna keep at it here as we work our way down the bank. At least the mangrove snapper are chewing. There he is. He got me hung up. Get him out. Get him out. He's got me hung up. If not, he popped off. There he is. We got him. Of course. Okay, here we are. Man, a lot of mangrove lined up over here. Let's pop him off. All right. There he is. Lifted there for him and he came up. Oh, it's a little bluegill. Man. All the catches today, huh? Just want to shake them off and keep fishing. There he is. Bluegill. Come on up and tear it out. Another little guy. Let's shake him off here. Not. There we go. Trying to bust me up, dude. You got sharp fins. There he is. Almost got me excited. That was a branch, though. There it is right here. Tree pounder. There he is. Little guy. These guys are super aggressive right now. Oh, this is a mangrove. I thought it was another bluegill. Well, these guys are super aggressive too. Come on, buddy. Let's get this hook out. Easy, easy. Don't stab me, bro. Go, little fella. All right. There he is. Mangrove. Word. Come on, buddy. All right, here we go. Oh, man, come on. There we go. Thanks. There's something. Feels decent. Oh, because I snagged them. Another mangrove. We are doing all right today. I guess more than all right. Oh, the other way, buddy. See if I can get up pinch in there and get you tossed back. Thanks, bud. Might go back. Oh. The bluegill loving this guy. Man, micro fishing at the end. Not bad here. Yep, little fella. Oh, he came up. Oh, he came back. He came back. He came back. Solid. Buddy, come on. Man, they wanted it. It was a couple of them in there. All right, he's gone. That's a fish right on his head, dude. It's a bass. Decent one. There we go. All right. Man, trying to finish strong here. Let me see here, buddy. All right. Nice. There we go. I'll check him out, man. Nice little fella. Thanks, buddy. There's he is. Another bass. Little fella. All right. Just gonna pop him off if we can. There he goes. All right, y'all, that's gonna wrap it up for today. Man, what an awesome day on the water. That little X-Wrap tore them up today. On top of that, we managed to find some snook, quite a few of them, so I'm pretty happy about that. I think it's safe to say the population is starting to grow, so that's awesome. I'm glad I was able to get on the water today. Appreciate y'all tuning in and watching. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this one. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, check out my other videos and consider subscribing. I'll catch y'all next time.